That is a bush stone curlew, I think.
Oh, here's another one. You get an even better view.
No. They go perfectly still like that.
Oh, it's a bit. Okay.
Here's a bowerbird, which is a bit similar to a lyrebird.
Okay, so there's a bunch of them eating food over here. See if I can get really close. Okay. Okay, now the next section is really good. Oh, here's a echidna.
Echidna.
Okay, so that's the echidna just there. Oh, we got some on the track here. Here's some on the track. No. Okay, well, the echidna is over here. Just there. You might be able to see it. Good one. There you go. Oh, look at this.
Behind me. Oh no, he's going for the food.
Okay. Next. Alright. So, here's the next enclosure. So,
Come around here.
oh yeah, some rainbow lorikeets. Okay, so here is some other birds. Okay. And, yep. Oh. Okay, let's try and get an even closer view. And you can just see in the water there. Okay, so this is an awesome view of rainbow lorikeets. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Bye.